Hey nail fams, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vinny here, and today we are going to talk all about cat eye nails. Specifically, this stunning silvery lavender look that's perfect for any season. Cat eye nails are always a go-to when you want a bit of glam, but still keep it sleek and sophisticated. And if you want to know more about how to recreate this look, and learn some tips on working on cat eye polishes. Stay tuned. Okay, now just take a look at this. This cat eye nail is a beautiful mix of silver and lavender tones, creating a mesmerizing shine that catches the light from every angle. It's subtle, but it still packs the sparkle punch we all love. Perfect for the night out or even a everyday glam look. What I love about this design is how versatile it is and it looks luxurious. But it's super easy to recreate it, whether you are a nail enthusiast or a professional. So let's dive into it to like how to achieve this kind of a polished cat-eye-ish, glittery kind of a finish. Let's break down how to achieve this look step by step. So we'll start with a smooth base. I always recommend using a clear base coat when doing the same thing on a natural nail. But here, as we are currently doing it on a tip, so I don't require a base coat on it. Polish on it and try to keep it as even as possible. Then cure it for 60 seconds and then we'll move to the cat eye portion of it. So now for this look, I used a stunning silvery lavender cat eye polish. When working with cat eye polishes, it's important to apply thin, even coats to avoid a chunky or an uneven finish. I applied the first thin coat and cured it under the lamp for 60 seconds. And tip here, don't worry if the first coat isn't super opaque. We will build it up and make it opaque for the second layer. Okay. So after curing the first coat, apply a second layer of cat eye polish. This is where you'll start to see the gorgeous multidimensional shine on it. And then here you need to put it a little thicker so that you can achieve the cat eye look of it. And then you can use a magnet to create however you want a finish or like a cat eye effect that normally happens due to the magnetic effect of it. And then as like for here, as I am doing it, as you can see, I'm trying the magnetic effect and trying to create a French with the up and down motion. So here you can, in the cat eye things, you can do up and down motion as well as near and far motion. It's like it will affect a little bit, and the sides also affect. which side you're doing it from. So one side it will repel, and the other side it will attract. And I'm currently trying to make a round shape for the cat eye effect, as you can see with the square. And now I've shifted to the round magnet. I'm trying to give a gradient kind of a finish into that. So as you can see, I am again like not taking more of it. I have totally like not taking any product in the brush, and I'm again doing it, trying to do it so that I can achieve a much better look out of it. Making it a French, trying to make it a French. As soon as I like it, I'll then put it in for curing, and I'll cure it for 60 seconds under the lamp. At this point, the cat eye is shining beautifully, and you can also add a third layer so you can make it more intense and sparkly. But I find two layers usually works perfect for a smooth and sparkly finish. Lastly, I'll top coat it for and cure it for 60 seconds under the lamp. And then voila, your whole design is complete. And finally, I would like to give you tips on like how to work on cat eye. Uh, you need to usually use thin coats at first. The first layer should be a thin one so that not much of the sparkly, and there are some sparse area as well. And it is not that clumpy, but it is a smooth finish, and it dries evenly as well. And the second coat, it can be thick so that the polish can move evenly, and with the magnet can move and form a good design pattern of it. And do not overload the brush. That is also a thing. And you need to try to like keep it in a amount where it is workable. It's not too much. And because there could be a thing that the cat eye could be too much, and does not cures. Yes, and third can be sealing the edges as well. When you do the top coat, the glossy coat, whatever coat, matte coat, top coat, you need to seal the edges of the nail so that the glitter can shine beautifully, as well as there is no chipping from the side corners. And there you have it, a simple yet elegant cat eye nail design that's perfect for any occasion. What do you think of this look? Would you give it a try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you recreate this design, do not forget to tag me on Instagram at nails.lux by Winnie. I love to see your beautiful creations. And of course, if you haven't already Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more nail tutorials, tips, inspiration, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.